G'day! In today's video I've got a very simple objective. I want to open up or remove the heat spreader on this and have a look and check out the failing LEDs. So I've had my blue heat pad here for about probably about 10 minutes at 75 degrees Celsius. So hopefully this can be pried off. I'm assuming it's using thermal tape to hold it on. There we go. No, we just have some simple double-sided tape on there. So it's not even really a heat spreader, it's more of a light distributor. I'd almost classify it as. Same back the other way. And separate along here as well. On the back side, we mainly have a pad. This one is liquid damage on here. As you can see, we still have some liquid up here, down here. So hopefully I can revive this by giving it a clean up. But right now the biggest thing that's noticed is the LEDs side of things is not working properly. But yeah, really not too much in there once you crack it open. Same as most others. I'm assuming this is a RGB controller of some variety, where this side here is all for the memory.